So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Solana, ticker symbol SOL, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go to your cryptocurrency account, then go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass on the bottom bar. After that, scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Once you're on this screen, if you want to buy Solana, ticker symbol SOL, simply just look for that right here, Solana SOL, press on that. And if you want to purchase, Solana, simply go to the bottom here and press on buy. Once you're on this screen, you can select however much money you want to put into Solana. So I'll just press $5 here for this example. I will then press on continue. And basically, to confirm this purchase of $5 of Solana, I would just press confirm order at the bottom right here. But that is pretty much how you guys can buy Solana, ticker symbol SOL, in Canada using the Wealthsimple app. I hope this video helps.